can we go through the walls? And yeah guys, it works amazing. You can literally explore all these features of this script, so it works amazing. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for Dead Rails absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. It works perfectly for all those devices. And guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforage.com. You will find it easily and click on browse script. So guys, there we will click on Dead Rails. It's there. And now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it. Or let me quickly show you. So go to your profile on your roblox.com on your browser, go to profile and copy your profile URL. So as you can see guys, that's number that we will have to copy. So just copy whole URL profile, and let's get back to the tool. So we will click on this button and it will automatically paste only our user ID. So just click continue when you get this, and guys, it should start searching for our user account. So you should get this message, user found guys. So now we have connected our account, and if you don't have any executor, we will have to import Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So guys, we will have to get any executor in order to get that Rails script for execution. So I have no currently executor, so I will import Delta executor. So just select no and import Delta executor. So now guys, we will have to select scripts that we would like to add to our Dead Rails. So I will select Forge Hub and NICUs. These two are the best for me, and just click continue and it should start searching for API and to connect. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So yeah, and there we go guys, API is finally connected, and now we got also our activation key generated. Nice guys. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Dead Rails script with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can download you can simply complete this questionnaires. It's up to you, so it's your choice. So what will I do now? I will download this Travel Town and I will download this TikTok. So guys, how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. So for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play and complete level 9. And for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Travel Town and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys, and I'm still waiting for about 2 minutes and nothing happened. So guys, it should redirect us every single second. Let's hope. So I won't skip this video, and there we go guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. That trail script is imported to your account guys. Our user ID connected and our key is connected. Nice. So now we will open our Roblox and we will test does it actually work. So let's play Dead Rails some. So we will test does it actually work. So let's click on Dead Rails, let's click play, and now guys, we will test it, does it actually work. So we should receive delta executor. Nice, we got our delta executor, guys. Let me click here so we'll load it. Okay, there we go, we got it. And then let's go to game and let's see, does it actually work. Let me zoom out a little bit. So we will create a game, guys, and we will see how does it work. So I will make party for only me. So create, and then let's wait these 10 seconds. So now we will see when we start the game, does it actually work. So I will open some scripts to see is it actually imported, and then we will test it, guys. So we will review, does it actually work. So it's loading, okay, and let's click here. There we go, guys. Forge Hub and NICUs. There we go. We got these two as we imported. So let's click on the executor, any script you like. So I clicked on NICUs, so it should load up quickly. As you can see, nice, there we go. And now we will click there, and guys, we got all these amazing script options for free. So guys, we have ESPs, we have this environment, only remove fog, only day, guys, ambient changer. We got all these amazing features. So let's click on no clip and let's see, can we go through the walls. And yeah, guys, it works amazing. You can literally explore all these features of this script, so it works amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.